I am interested in this opportunity because it gives me the opportunity to gain skill into my degree and become a greater part of this business. My greatest strengths are communication, dedication, and my willingness to learn. My greatest weakness, I would say, is that I love to do the job perfectly. I strive to do it better. Even when it's good, I want it better. I would respond to this scenario by asking them why they disagree and make a diplomatic decision that shares both our ideas. Cooperation is key. A difficult task I encountered when I was running my department on my own. I made sure to follow the directions precisely in a timely manner in order to achieve it all, get it out on time, make very minimal mistakes, make sure if I did make any mistakes that they were fixed. Knowing there are other applicants with a similar background, I would be a good hire due to my knowledge for the position and my determination to make this company stunning. I'm a fast learner, and I strive to know more and more about this business.